Good morning. Today's date is Wednesday. It is May 20th, 2020. Here is your meme of the day. Maybe. There it is. Mike. Happy Wednesday. Quick reminder to watch or read the daily message, complete all of your assignments, turn your work in on Teams through phone, text message, or email, and also make sure you're checking in with me at least twice a week. It's Wednesday, so if I haven't heard from you yet, especially if you're in my homeroom, make sure I hear from you so I can mark you present for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If I don't hear from you any of those 3 days, you're marked absent all 3. Turning in work does count as communicating with me. So today we're doing the week 3-4 quiz. This is your second day to do it. Again, remember it's a 9-question quiz, and at the end just a little extra rate yourself and how you feel you did question. So there's 9 math questions and 1 little survey. So make sure you complete that. And if you haven't already completed them and turned them in, please make sure you complete lessons 10.1, 10.2, 11.1, 11.3, and turn in all of your work. Tomorrow we're going to start some new work. We're starting on module at 12 tomorrow, so I don't want you falling behind. Stay on top of things, manage your time. I'm here if you need my help. I'm here from 9 to 11 and 1 to 2. Have a great day.